Hello everyone, today's video is going to be simple and will show you how to style this oversized t-shirt. Welcome back. Oversized t-shirts are very comfortable, cool, and moreover it's easy to move around. And here is to the first look. As you know now, high-waist pants and shorts are back in trend and oversized t-shirts looks good on them. I started with high-waist paperback shorts which looks super cute, and all you need to do is to tie a knot in front of the t-shirts like it's shown in this video. It's simple, right? And I paired it with black heels, and I didn't feel like we're using any accessories, so it's all basic and simple. And for this next look, I paired it with denim jeans and sandals to get that super casual chill look with tucking front fabric of t-shirt into the shorts. And I love this look, it's very comfortable. And I love how this oversized t-shirt goes well with this oversized jacket, and paired it with sneaker and couple of denims, and I'm totally in love with this look, it's very comfortable. And here comes the third look. Here I paired it with overalls where you can't go wrong wearing a oversized t-shirt with, and flaunt your collarbone by wearing it as off shoulder, and it gives such a cute vibes, and I love this look. And for the next look, I paired with torn pants which are very fun to style, and I went for straight cut ankle pant and again tucked the front fabric of t-shirt into the pant. And to add on, I layered cropped denim jacket so I don't look like a beanbag. It's just that I'm not a fan of loose fit dresses, so I just wanted to give it a try styling this one, and comment down if it's which is your favorite look. And I kept the white heels on so I don't give out that rowdy vibes. This reminds me of that song Rowdy Baby, Rowdy Baby. Oh god, I'm sorry you guys have to listen to this. And by moving on, I went a little crazy and overlaid the oversized t-shirt on full on top. This kind of gives me off that tomboy look, and let me know how you liked it. And for this look, I paired this graffiti t-shirt with a pattern pant, and I did not have any other colors, so I went with this one, but I'm not sure about the color combination, so you guys are welcome to give me a feedback in the comment section. And but hey, you gotta try with whatever you have, right? And I just tied this side of the t-shirts and completed this look with the boots. And for this look, actually I saw this style in Pinterest and I liked it, so I thought of trying it. And all you have to do is part the t-shirt in two ways with your index finger and insert into the belt loop, and that's it. Here you go. It's simple, right? And I love this look. It's good. And finish this look with the boots. And moving on, for this look I initially planned to style with biker shorts, but then I realized I don't have one, so I went with denim shorts. And again, we have to make it work with what we have, right? And then this t-shirt is very elastic and flexible, so I wore it as a half shoulder dress and added a belt to the waist. And this is a regular belt, but corset belt would have given a more dimension to this look, and completed this look with boots. And for this last look of the video, you can tuck this loose fit t-shirt inside pleated mini skirt, and let me know in the comments you like this outfit or not, and which is your favorite outfit from this video. And I layered this color block sweater and completed this look by adding black heels. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.